Okay, so here we have, I guess, which part is this one? This part is where we had folded the crane into a square, and now I had to make another shape with it. I actually had to crawl inside. So this square itself is over 14 feet. So 14 feet by 14 feet-ish. We had to make our own paper because there isn't paper that's actually large enough in rolls. So that was a part of it. And I did need helpers. I needed, well, as you see, two others plus myself to fold the crane, and then you were on the camera. So looks like Brian came in as well to step in and help us. So at one point there were 4 of us to do the folding. I find a crane is actually quite straightforward as far as folds go, because it's a very balanced animal to fold. But yeah, you just have to line everything up. I mean, I love giant, large-scale origami because, like, you really get into it somatically. Okay, there's me going into the body of the crane to get the folds down. And the paper is very delicate, so it's very easy to rip. I think I'd mentioned to you moving forward, I'll probably experiment with other materials. Anything larger than this size, and this size is very, I feel like I push the limits with this size. So if you're folding a 14-foot by 14-foot piece of paper, square, the outcome will be half, so it'll be 7 feet. Ooh, we're getting closer. This was an exciting time because we were starting to see it take shape. Everything after this was quite easy because as you fold, the paper gets smaller, so it's much easier to work with when it's smaller. And that's my handy wooden spatula. The wings, very exciting. Here we are. Yay! Have we named her yet? I don't think we've named her. I'm very grateful for all the help that I had because I couldn't have done it on my own. Okay, here we are at the install. Yay! Putting everything up. The Innovation Center. And as you can see, it's very large. We had to support the wings with wooden slats because the paper is quite flimsy. So we had to suspend the cranes using wire, and we had to reinforce it with wood. There's Ian doing the install. Very grateful for such an awesome installer. Very grateful for just everybody who has helped work on this project. It was so much fun. We used red duct tape to hold in the wooden slats. I think in the future we won't use red duct tape, but that's just how it was, and it all worked out. I don't think you can really see it. It was very, very fun to watch it all come to life by putting all the cranes together and creating this installation. Thank you, everybody. So much fun.